Finally, welcome to Fly Agro. Let's see a 70 horsepower tractor with sunshade. See the front axle. We use a strong front axle. And for this tractor, we equipped with radial tires, LED light. All lights are LED lights. It uses YTO diesel engine, top brand in China market. And big flat bottom. Rear tire also use radial tires. Look at the rear of the tractors. 3-point linkage, PTO, swing bar, 2 sets of hydraulic outputs. This is hydraulic assistance tank. Provide oil for front end loader. And all tractors have two pedals. The spring comfortable luxury seat. Big oil tank. For tires, normally we use Chaoyang tire and Qihang tire, famous brand in Chinese market. And the diesel engine normally use YTO or Quanchai or Xinchai diesel engine. And also the camera, we use Tianneng or Walter. It's 120. Its price is about 9,500 for these tractors. It can also equipped with front end loader, like that tractor. And for the hood, we also have many types for you to choose. And we can also customize the colors. And we can put your brands. We can do OEM service and ODM service. Okay, if you are interested, welcome to contact us and send us an inquiry. Thank you.